Being a business partner for the finance of tomorrow is to be able to analyze a lot of data very quickly and be in a position to alert, to guide business partner efficiently. It was for performance management, it was mostly SBAS solutions. We were suffering from this difficulty to reconcile the monitoring information between our business lines, our geographical regions and the group, and spending an awful lot of time in doing these reconciliations. Solutions that were not easy to make evolve, and with a lot of quick fixes that time after time made a very complex architecture difficult to sustain. And in fact, for us, CCH Tagetik, with quick deliveries, progressively rebuild all that and go for that simplification of our IT architecture. The partnership with CCH Tagetik started from the beginning of the project. So with this ability of the teams of CCH Tagetik to accompany us on a proof of concept and deliver it and convince us of the value of the solution. We've started with our budget process, which in terms of volumes of data and the complexity of the process was a good starting point. And then progressively we've evolved towards actuals, where we have processes which are much more complex and where we have to manipulate larger amounts of data. One reason for us to change our performance management solution was also around financial modeling, and that's an innovation progressively we are putting in motion, which is to have performance management teams that work on financial modeling through our CCH Tagetik solution. For us, it's driving the core, the value generated by the solution. It's simple to implement, it works, it's an effective solution, and so that's where we get our value.